In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Energini MiHome power adapters, or the smart plugs. If you've got one of these and you've been having problems with it, then you might want to watch this, because I've found something that may be the cause of your issues. Hello everybody, it's Mick with another Smart Home Solutions video. So in today's video we're going to be looking at the Energini MiHome power adapter or smart plug. Recently I purchased these and I set them up and I've been playing around with them, switching them on and off, just testing them on a daily basis, and purely by accident I came across a little problem that I found that occurs when you put two smart plugs together. Now it doesn't have to be two smart plugs of the same manufacturer, it can be two different manufacturers, as you'll find out in the next part of the video. Right. On. Off. Alexa, switch on adapter 2. I've just been and read the instructions and it does say don't put two of these next to each other. Now I know this one isn't the same as this one, but is that the issue? I don't know. Let's try again. Alexa, switch on adapter 2. That's interesting. Alexa, switch off adapter 2. Quite good. Let's just plug this back in. Give it a moment. There we go. Let's try again. Alexa, switch on adapter 2. Oh. I wonder. Try again. Alexa, switch on adapter 2. Oh, it's already on. Ah. Alexa, switch off adapter 2. That might have been causing the issue on this one. One more try. Alexa, switch on adapter 2. Alexa, switch off adapter 2. Right. You cannot stay there. I'm sorry. Right. So I've just brought you back to adapter 2 and the TP-Link smart plug, because after I'd done the initial test and we had the problems with the two next to each other, we'd proved that this was causing this to have problems. But afterwards I thought, oh, hang on a minute, I wonder if it does the same the other way. So I've plugged the TP-Link back in, and just to prove a point, Alexa, switch on adapter 2. And this time it works. Alexa, switch on plug 1. Right, now it's trying to make a fool of me. Because prior to me shooting this video, I just did a little test and this wouldn't work with this. Alexa, switch off adapter 2. I had to think then. Alexa, switch off plug 1. So that's just made a complete fool of me. Thanks for that. Still not convinced. Alexa, switch on adapter 2. Alexa, switch off adapter 2. I do apologise for my stomach, if you can hear that. I've got the microphone over there, so you can't hear it so much. Right, that was a bit of a delay. Alexa, switch on plug 1. See, that's very responsive. Alexa, switch off plug 1. Alexa, switch on adapter 2. Alexa, switch off adapter 2. You see, now I'm just not sure. Because today, it's working. Whereas yesterday, when I did the initial testing that you saw previously, just before in the video, it wasn't having it. Again. Okay, welcome back everybody. Firstly, I apologise for my scruffy appearance. It's 7:45 in the morning and I've just finished a night shift. So I just wanted to get this final clip done before I go off to bed. But I thought, yeah, I just need to get this out of the way and then I can get the video uploaded for you. So a couple of days have gone by since I did the little frustrating test with the smart plugs next to each other. Firstly, the TP-Link was stopping the MiHome smart plug from operating. But then when I decided to try and swap it around the other way, the MiHome adapter smart plug decided it was going to work again, albeit a bit of a delay. So I've been trying it over the last couple of days and it's been doing the same again. It's been working okay, but there has been a delay. The TP-Link one works fine. The MiHome one, sometimes it seems to switch off better than it switches on. There's like a big delay. I've just tried it again this morning, and probably the biggest delay I've had, it was about, when I say a big delay, it's about 10-15 seconds. But when you're wanting something to switch on, that can be quite a long time. So I think having the two smart plugs together does make a difference, because when I test smart plug or adapter 1 and adapter 3, they're just on their own, they work straight away, flawless. So just for future reference, if you've got smart plugs, don't put two of them together. just keep them separate. It does say in the instructions you need to keep them separate, so there's obviously a reason for that. Right, I'm off to bed. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found that of use. If you've been having issues, then maybe that could be one of the reasons why you're having problems. So if you did enjoy that, then give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, as always, click on the subscribe icon just here or the one down below. If you want to leave a comment or some feedback, I always welcome that. It's great to hear what you have to say, and very often you come up with ideas as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.